Fujiyama models to the stage. Fujiyama models to the stage. I'm gonna ask to teach them for them to teach you dance moves. So if you want to stick around and don't go anywhere, you won't miss free stuff. If you go somewhere, you'll probably miss free stuff. I have a free stuff buzzer that I made. Where's that free stuff buzzer? No? Yeah, I hear that siren. I like the siren. I need to have like a bullhorn siren or something. That's what I
kind of don't care.
What's up, Hot Pit Auto Fest? What's up, party people? Hot Pit Auto Fest. I am Greg Leone, WMP, out here on the main stage. Right? Oh yeah, mix it up. You know what time it is, right? Time to get your best. Fujiyama models coming up stage right now. Come on down, everyone. You don't want to miss this. Trust me. All right, ladies, come on up. Everyone, come on in. Come on in. Social media. Where can we find you on social media?
You live in Eagle Rock, right? Yeah.
If you had to,
That's a good job.
Yeah.
and then they invite me over to
Oh, all right.
That's it.
social media. That's the toughest first show ever.
I'm gonna do my 661. Just don't get wider.